When I finish with you today, you know why they call me Barnabas.
Come, baby, come to me.
Your husband?
Husband is here.
But you told me your husband traveled now.
I didn't know. He wasn't supposed to come now.
I never told your husband don't come. What do we do?
Please hide. No, leave that place. Go to the toilet.
Toilet?
Yes.
May God not allow them, may them kill.
Mommy.
Chief.
I missed my flight, eh? I'm coming. Let me gist you. I'm pressed. Let me quickly use the toilet, eh? Madam. Chief, good afternoon, sir. Mommy, you didn't tell me you're not feeling fine.
I don't want to disturb you, baby.
Madam, now the drugs with this. Make sure you take one morning, one night. You understand? And now the other one be this.
Jesus!
That bad guy.
Madam, now the other one be this. Same thing, morning and night.
Hey! This man!
Chief, now your own be this. This one way madam no feel fine. So make sure if you want, you understand. You use this so that the sickness when she get no go enter you. Prevention is better than cure. Okay.
I want to see you.
Thank you.
Barnabas, son of grace. Barnabas! They don't release you. You know him? You know Barnabas? Barnabas will sleep with all the married women from my area.
Jesus!
Barnabas!
Jesus!
Pencil Unbroken. The Statement Call. Sunday 19th June 2022 at Eco Hotels and Suites.